And now let's talk about the discussions that are happening in the parliament. And we have some breaking news coming in. This is related to the discussion in the parliament about Vande Mataram. And it seems Congress MP Imran Masood has said that he's not going to chant Vande Mataram. He says that he cannot do sajda in front of anyone else except for Allah. So that basically means that he will not bow down and worship anyone else or anything else other than Allah. So he says clearly that Vande is not for him. Let's listen to what he said.
प्रधानमंत्री जी को ये भी बताना चाहिए कि आरएसएस ने 25 साल क्यों नहीं गाया इसको। आरएसएस ने अपनी स्थापना से लेकर के और आज़ादी के बाद तक इसको क्यों नहीं गाया, ये भी बताना चाहिए। भाई आप पढ़ो वंदे मातरम, मुझे कोई एतराज़ नहीं है। वंदे मातरम के जो शब्दावली है उसके ऊपर हमारा मजहबी वो है। मैं आपसे नहीं कह सकता कि आप नमाज़ पढ़ो, मैं आपको कह दूंगा कि नमाज़ पढ़ो, आप नहीं कह सकता। तो ऐसे ही वंदे मातरम की शब्दावली से आप पढ़िए ना, आप करिए। आप हमारे यहाँ सजदा सिर्फ अल्लाह को है, सजदा सिर्फ अल्लाह को है, और सजदा इसी ज़मीन पर होता है। बिला वजह के तमाशा क्यों है भाई?
And joining us live is India Today's Maushmi Singh. Maushmi, how is this row escalating? And do tell us, what objections does the Congress MP have?
So clearly, he's saying that within the tenets of Islam, this is not sacrosanct that they should say Vande Mataram. And in fact, Imran Masood went a step ahead, slamming the Modi government, saying that they are not connecting the dots as far as history of the parent organization is concerned, and how much they were actually involved in ensuring the glory of Vande Mataram before India in the Congress party, and
Right.
and the freedom people
Right.
have to.
Right, Maushmi, thank you very much. We're losing your connection as well, but it clearly seems that this discussion is now leading to a debate as well.